Hey guys, we're here with another video. We're trying to make a fire, but some reason it's not working.
It would work if you would do it, right?
Yeah, thanks for being smart.
You try to do it with that.
Yeah.
With it burning your finger. Ah!
Feel it.
I know.
Feel it.
Wait. Oh, I did it on my chin.
We're here making a fire
That I set up. It's dumb.
By the way, guys, I lost that fidget spinner, so we might not be giving away that fidget spinner. Wait, that's right. I have it right here. Right here. We're going to be giving this away if we can find a way. Okay, it's going to have our names on it, and you can tell if it's ours because it has a missing bearing. Jacob. We were eating Takis, and he spinned it and went in the Takis bag. I couldn't find it until me and him ate it all the way to the bottom. Yeah, it's one of them is still missing. He spinned it, then he lost it in the street. So I don't trust him no more to spin my fidget spinner.
Hey, it was 1, not 9.
Fidget spinners don't have 9.
I don't care.
And I'm gonna go get Jacob's fidget spinner right now. Entertain him. Be right back, guys.
So he got it and got the guy in. But he's on his fantasy. But he's on his fantasy team, so. Right? I'm like, that is so that's like nap time. I think I'm almost positive too. Because I've seen the track version, like the commercials for that, so I would assume.
Hey guys, we are back. He just got injured. And how do you feel? Like switch the camera angle.
Just do this. Bam.
And it's upside down, isn't it?
Oh. Wait, yeah, it is. Okay.
And I found his fidget spinner. This is Jacob's. We might get this one because it looks like an iTunes. So we might give this away with the iTunes card with our name on it. Okay, Jake?
My thumb has been getting burnt all day.
If you were to choose which fidget spinner you should get, which one would you get? This one stops really easily. So this one doesn't go as fast. Look, watch.
Yeah, see, look.
I'll spin it. I'll hold it.
See.
And this is my
Hey, you boys
fidget.
ready?
Yeah, hold on.
Come on, we gotta go. We gotta go get gas and some ice.
And some treats.
I got some already.
Takis.
Yep.
Okay, guys, we're gonna go be seeing Captain Underpants. So if you wanna, we can make a
Well,
video
we
on the
can.
way.
Well, we're not gonna continue, but we're gonna. Yeah, we're just gonna. You probably would have to skip like 2 hours of this. So
So we're gonna press pause for like 2 hours.
we're gonna
Bring my iPad.
we're gonna pause this right now. No, we're not. I'm not allowed to bring my.